Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Bhrigu. In today's video, we will be discovering about the 8th house, what all does it represent, which areas of life does it govern, what are the key significator planets for it and what all body part does it rule. Let's deep dive. The key planet that rules over your 8th house is Saturn. 8th house represents death, secrecy, mysticism, transformation, your longevity, how long will you live. All these things are governed by 8th house. Manufacturing is seen from the 8th house. Why manufacturing is seen? Because it is transformation of the goods that are being produced in a factory. You receive raw material in the factory and then it is converted into the final finished product. That is what transformation is. So this is also the karka for transformation and finished goods, which is represented by manufacturing and factories. All these things are seen from the 8th house. 8th house also represents mining because you have to dig deep in the earth and extract something. All these things are represented by the 8th house of your horoscope. All the occult related subjects are governed by 8th house. The body part that it represents are all the sexual organs, your anus, your rectum, all the hidden diseases that you are not able to detect. These are governed by the 8th house of your horoscope. A lot of people think that the sexual organs are governed by the 7th house, but no, it is governed by your 8th house. So if any of the karkas that are not giving proper results in your horoscope, which are a representation of the 8th house, that means the planet sitting there, or the house itself is not giving proper results and a remedy and balancing needs to be done with respect to that house. Thank you so much for watching. Over to the 9th house in the next video.